Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ahmad Shohidi. I am from Group 18. I am representative for my team, which I will explain to you all about AAA using Radius. Alright, what is AAA? AAA authentication, authorization, and accounting framework is used to manage the activity of the user to a network that it want to access by authentication, authorization, and accounting mechanism. AAA use method to challenge whoever want to have network access by asking them their authorized and authenticated credential to prove that they are legitimate user before gaining access to the network. AAA addresses the limitation of local security configuration and the scalability issues that come with it. For example, if you need to change or add a password, it has to be done locally and to all devices, which will require a lot of time and resources. So, what is the first A? The first A is authentication. Authentication provides a method of identifying a user, typically by having the user enter a valid username and password before access to the network is granted. Authentication is based on each user having a unique set of login credentials for gaining network access. The next one is authorization. Authorization is a user must gain authorization for doing certain tasks. After logging in the system, for instance, the user may try to issue command. The authorization process determines whether the user has the authority to issue such a command. Simply put, authorization is the process of enforcing policies, determining what type of qualities or activities, resources, or service a user is permitted. The last A from AAA is accounting. Accounting, which is monitor the resource a user consumes during the network access. This can include the amount of system time or the amount of data sent and received during a session. Accounting is carried out by logging session statistics and usage information. It is used for authorization control, billing, trend analysis, resource utilization, and planning for the data capacity required for business operation. So the next one is about Radius server. What is Radius server? Radius stands for Remote Authentication Dial-in User Server. It is a protocol used for authorization and authentication. If you have Radius server, you will have full control over who can connect your network and whom not to grant access. This is applicable for all network types, starting from wireless, VPN to direct and dial-up. Therefore, it is the middle layer in between the communication of the client and server. Radius server help a company to maintain profile of the user in a central database which can be accessed by all the server. This help in better security management and setting up policy for server administration. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video I made. See you around. Bye.